What's up guys, this is Dr. Technician, helping you go further faster in graphic design. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can make this type of text animation using After Effects. Let's get into the video, coming up. As always, create a composition. Change name, main comp. Keep settings as it is. Put duration, 7 seconds. Select text tool, and type anything you want. But make sure it will end in letter O. Alright, after type text, let's align it to the center of the composition. Then select letter O, and change color here. You can change to whatever color you want. For me, these two colors are better. Okay, here we have to change this text to shape layer. Select the layer. Right-click. Create. Choose Create Shapes from Text. You can see the text is changed to a new shape layer. When you go to drop down, in Contents, we can see all letters in one layer. Here, we have to separate these letters in different layers. To do so, just select Layer, and click Ctrl and D. Click as many letters as there are in your text. In my case, I created 5 different layers. Each layers for each letter. Then rename these layers one by one. Alright. Then select C layer and drop down. From Contents, delete all letters except C. Now you can see, in this layer, only remains letter C. Then expand the I layer. And delete all letters, except I from the layer. So only remains the I in this layer. You have to repeat this process for the rest of the letters, until you get one layer for each letter. Perfect. All letters have its own layer. Now, let's get into the animation. Simply select the O layer. We have to make anchor point of this layer at center of this shape. Just hold Ctrl and double-click the span behind tool. Perfect, you can see the anchor point here. Let's go back to main view. Move time indicator to 2 seconds. Shrink work area to here. Press P in the O layer to open position. And create a keyframe for position. Move time indicator to the beginning. And drag letter O with holding Shift, and place it here. Alright. Let's make work area a little wider. Select both keyframes of the position, and change keyframe assistant to Easy Ease. Select the first keyframe and press Ctrl and C, to copy this keyframe. And move time indicator to 4 seconds. And paste it. Check preview. Perfect. Select all keyframes and open graph. Select these 3 points. And change graph like this. Check out the preview, you can see that the movement of the O has become a little smoother. Close the graph. Again select the O layer. And search here, Path. You can see Path here. Before entering to Path, place time indicator at the beginning. And create keyframe for both of these paths. Press U on the layer, to open created keyframes. Let's zoom the screen. Then slowly move time indicator forward. Until this side of the letter C will become, in the center of the letter O. Let's zoom in a little more to see it clearly. Select Pen tool. You will see that the path points have appeared. Click on any path point. Select these points with holding Alt, like this. Then grab one of these points, and drag it up with holding Shift. Until it reaches the top of the C shape. So the C can easily pass through the shape of O. Then do the same on the bottom side. Simply select this point. Select all these points holding Alt. And drag down with holding Shift. Until slightly below of the bottom side of the C. Perfect. Move time indicator around here. And copy this 2 point using Ctrl and C. And paste them here. Again copy the first 2 keyframes. Then move time indicator to 2 seconds. And paste them here. Watch the preview. Perfect. As always, select all keyframes and change to Easy Ease. Press U on the layer to close keyframes. Then select other letters. Right-click. Pre-compose. Change name. You can name it whatever you want. Tick this one. Press OK. Turn on the Start to Collapse transformation switch. Again select the O layer. Then press U to view keyframes. And move time indicator to 2 seconds. Deselect all the layers. Select the rectangle tool. Change the fill to solid color. Set stroke to none. Then draw a rectangle like this. Make sure it will cover all letters except the letter O. Place this rectangle in the exact left side of the O shape. From Shape Layer, drop down Rectangle 1. Right-click on the rectangle path 1. Choose this, Convert to Bezier Path. Select Shape Layer again, and press U to close keyframes. And zoom the screen in a little bit. Select the Pen tool. Create path points at these corners, where the rectangle and letter O intersect. Then drag this point, and place here. Click this point with holding Alt. And change shape of the rectangle like this, and place in the edge of the letter O. And do the same on the other side also. Make sure both edges are joined properly. Perfect. Let's go back to the main view. Rename the shape to Reveal. Change the tag color of this layer. And hide this layer. Here, let's parent this reveal layer with O. Place this reveal layer next to this layer, or whatever you call it. Change its track matte to reveal. Then select reveal layer. Select this icon of parent. And drag to the shape O layer. As you move time indicator, you can see the result. Perfect. Select all layers. Press U to view keyframes. Place time indicator here. Use Alt and open bracket to cut layers at this point. Close drop down of the O layer. Press Ctrl and D to duplicate the layers. Place duplicated layers on top. And change tag color to any color you want. Move time indicator to the beginning. Again press Alt and open bracket to make starting of these layers from the beginning. Move time indicator to 2 seconds. Then press Alt and close bracket to cut these layers here. Select duplicated this layer. Change track matte to reveal 2. As you move time indicator, you can see the result. Alright. Place time indicator here. And select reveal 2 layer. Zoom screen a little bit. Here you can see the path of the shape. Select Pen tool. Remove these 2 points. Then hold Alt and press these 2 points. Change shape like this. Make sure it's perfectly aligned with the inner shape of the letter O. Alright. That's perfectly good. Let's get into the last step. Making animation of the letters come out from the inside of the letter O. Select O2 layer. Here, let's enlarge composition, so we can see clearly. Select rectangle tool. And enable this little icon, tool creates mask. Draw a rectangle on the half of the O shape, like this. Make sure to draw exactly in half of the letter O. Then change name of this rectangle shape as O front. Then duplicate this rectangle. Change name of the duplicated shape as O back. Press M on the layer to view masks. Change mask mode to subtract. You can see the other half of the letter O is appeared. Press M on layers to close mask. Next step is to make sure that these two edges of half are perfectly joined. You can see a little darkness here. To fix it, select any half, and move to little left or right. Perfect. After that, place this O back layer under Cisc layer. Look at the result. The words are perfectly coming from inside of the letter O. But there is a little darkness remains here. Zoom the screen. Just move front O layer a little bit to left. That will be better. Perfect. Now, let's add some shadow to these letters, to make them look more realistic. Select Cisc layer. Zoom the screen a little bit. Just click right on the layer. Go to Layer Style. Drop Shadow. Then expand Drop Shadow. Then change size to 50. Look at the result. Perfect. This is how we can create this kind of text animation. If you found this video helpful for you, consider subscribing. And if you have any doubts about anything, just leave them in the comments. I will try to provide a solution. Until next time, this is Dr. Technician. Keep crushing it, we will talk soon.